designing the mood board for our baby shower, and it's gonna be, the theme is baby in bloom, which I'm really excited about because I just love florals. I feel like it's really dainty for a baby girl. I just got the invitations in the mail. I wanted to show them to you guys because they're so cute. Okay, first of all, this is the back. This is the front. It is so beautiful. And honestly, these came so much quicker than I anticipated, which is so nice because I'm gonna try and get them out within the next day or two, but I need to go get some stamps. But it's nice because they also have a digital option. So I can send like a digital one as well as like a hard copy, but it's so pretty. And I feel like when it has like a front and back, I feel like it just elevates the invitation without, especially on Zazzle, like the price didn't reflect that, because it was still super affordable, came here super quick. And I just love it. I got some extras because I want to keep one in my journal. When I was designing on Zazzle, it was super nice because I feel like everything kind of fell into place, because once I picked this theme, then it was like, oh, do you want a poster? Do you want this, that, and all this stuff with all the same kind of layout and theme. So I also got these in the mail. These are for like little, or little goodies that will take home with them. It says, thank you, Jacqueline's baby shower. And it says the date and then the hole to like tie something around. So I think it's so cute. And I wanted to show you guys the poster because it is so pretty. I need to lay it out so it kind of is not super wrinkly, but it's again exactly the same as the invitation. The theme is very intentional, if that makes sense. So later today or tomorrow, we are gonna go look at spaces for the baby shower. And we have a few in mind, so I'm excited to visit it. I'm gonna bring some of the Zazzle stuff and kind of see how it'll look. I'm just so excited. Okay, also the matching plates have come. And then this is like the personalized cookies we got off Zazzle too. Everything's a mess right now. We've got like boxes everywhere, but yeah, isn't that so cute? Everything just matches perfectly. Right, Grace? Are we going?
Yeah.
That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for helping us plan and prep our baby shower.
Look what I got, and look what you can do.
Whoa, that's cool. So a huge thank you to Zazzle for sponsoring this video. We could not have made it happen without them.
Thank you for watching our video.
And we'll see you next time.
Thank you